Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. Alright? If I can cook, you can cook. You hear me? This week we are going to be doing a fruit salad, Jamaican cooking breakfast. Come make we bubble a pot. I have my orange. I'm going to start off with the orange. You know, orange is rich in vitamin C, right? And orange contain fiber as well. Alright, so you know, coronavirus is going around, so first we're gonna wash our fruits. So we're going to start off with our orange. We're going to peel our orange. Yes, so now we're going to cut up our mango. This is a Julie mango, right? A Jamaican local Julie mango, right? So in this time of crisis, I paid $100 for this mango. Can you believe it? $100 for this mango. And when I was in the country growing up, we used to have mangoes like dirt. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna want to eat the skin, because the skin contains all that antioxidant. You see how the skin is pretty? When you eat the skin, you get all the antioxidants. So when you're eating mangoes, if you want to get all those antioxidants, you have to eat the skin. Alright, so we're not going to peel the mango, we're going to just cut it, because we want to get all the antioxidant from it. Alright, so cut it up like that. So I want to see all that color. This is our local Jamaican apple, alright? So we're going to slice it up like that. And this is rich in antioxidant, alright? So you don't want to peel this, you want to eat the skin and get all that antioxidant from it. Watermelon is rich in antioxidant as well, rich in vitamin and antioxidant. So we want to utilize our watermelon, you know? salad breakfast is ready, you know. Yeah. So the key to this is to have 4 different color fruits, right? So once you have 4 different color fruit, you get all the benefits, right? And if you want to live to see 110 years old or even longer, try to eat this every morning, right? Now, fruits are expensive, right? But it's best to spend now more than later on. You have to give the doctor all of your money, so it's best to spend now, live healthy. Even though I'm guilty of not living as healthy as I should, but you know, we should live healthy, right? So test it out and see what I go on. Can't beat this. Can't go wrong at all, you know. This is the life. See, so big up. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Alright? Boom!